overtime for the night, Nathan Kirby.
Ladies and gentlemen, fight fans of all ages, this is the main event. We are live from the Dow County Fairgrounds. This is for the welterweight championship belt. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, standing 6 foot 4 inches tall, weighing in 166 pounds. Fighting out of Section, Missouri, Jacob, the Backwoods Badger Gonzalez. And his opponent fighting out of the red corner, 6 foot tall, weighing in 164 pounds, with a record of 2 wins, 3 losses, fighting out of Dogwood, BJJ. Dyersburg, let me hear ya. Ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Craig, Ronan, Archey.
The starchy Archey.
If a tattoo on the small of the back is a stamp, what do they call a tattoo on the front side?
Temptation.
Temptation.
Oh boy. Temptation stamp.
Jacob Gonzalez in the white shorts.
Oh, shakes off the handshake.
Craig in the Game of Death Bruce Lee shorts. He said he shook off the
bear hug.
Early takedown.
Jacob trying to reverse
Gonzalez
it.
looking for a headlock.
Craig showing off that brown belt, maintaining that top.
Gonzalez not wanting to give him any distance to give him any offense.
Very smart move right now.
Craig looking to break that head control.
Taking the back in transition, it looks like.
I think if he would.
Still maintaining that top.
Oh, he wants the ground and pound.
Gives his back up.
Oh.
Some hard hits.
Those were some hard hits. Jason is stopping it.
Here we go, fight fans, put your hands together. That was a main event, 57 seconds of the first round. Your winner by TKO and new welterweight Black Cat Cage Fight champion, Craig Ronan Archey.
Sportsmanship at the end.
It is Craig's nephew's birthday. Happy birthday, Ronan, if you're watching.
Happy birthday, Ronan.
Got a special request to say happy birthday.
Hi guys, I'm here with your champ, Craig Archey. Got to see a little side of you tonight I've never seen before. Shaking off the handshake. Where'd that come from?
I don't trust him.
Nothing. Better be safe than sorry. Nothing wrong with that at all. And you look great at control. 98% of the fight. No injuries other than a little boo-boo scratch here. What is next for the Craig Archey?
Yo, catch me next month fighting for the belt and altitude. Catch me the month after that fighting for Hub City. I got one last thing to say. Happy birthday, Ronan. I know you're watching. I love you.
Happy birthday. It sounds like we're going to be collecting some belts. Man, I look forward to seeing you again. You continue to grow and impress time after time when you step out here. You've got a great group all the way around supporting you, and I can't wait to see what you do next, brother.
Dogwood all day.
All day. Yeah. The starchy Archey. Good win. Wanted to give one more big shout out to our sponsors tonight: Crazy K Fireworks, Ermco, John Raj Technology, Clark Distributions Budweiser, and BJJ in Divine.